Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 52nd tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we learn to send emails using Python, right? And for the sake of this tutorial, I created an account on Gmail, and the username for that account is pythontest_user@gmail.com, and the password for that account is Python is amazing. And I just created that account for the sake of this tutorial, and we'll be using the simple mail transfer protocol library module, which is known as SMTP-LIB in Python, to make a connection with the Gmail SMTP server first, and then we log in, and then we'll send an email, right? So the first thing that I have to do is import the module that we need, and to do that I'll type in import space name of the module, which as I said is SMTP-LIB, and I'll press the enter key, and the next thing that you'll have to do is create a server object, and you could call it anything. I'm going to call mine server, and I'll use the assignment operator and the SMTP function that belongs to this module to create this object. So I'll type in SMTP-LIB dot SMTP in capital letters, and this function takes two arguments. The first one is the server address, which in our case will be smtp.gmail.com, and the next argument is the port number with which you want the connection to be made. So that for us is going to be 587, right? And I'll press the enter key, and on the next line I'll have to make a call to the start TLS method. And this is important because we want to establish a secured connection. So again, I'll type in the server object name, and then the dot operator, and then start TLS and a set of empty parentheses. This function doesn't take in any arguments, so you simply type in that and press the enter key, and it might take a couple of seconds for the connection to be established. And if you see something like this, then it means that the connection has been established, and now you can log in using the login method. So I'll type in server, which is the name of my server object, and a dot, and then login, and within parentheses I'll first type in my username, which is, as I said, Python test user@gmail.com, and then you have to type in your password, and the password that I set for this account is Python is, and there's no space, by the way, between the words. Python is amazing, and I'll press the enter key, and if you see this message accepted, then it means that you've successfully logged in, and now you can use the send mail method to send mails to anyone. And I'll type in the name of my server object and a dot and send mail, and this function takes in three arguments. The first one has to be the email account from which you are sending your email. So this is the from address, so that will be Python test user@gmail.com, and the second argument is the to address, the person to whom you are sending your email. So I'll just send it to another account that I have on Hotmail, so madhur.bhatia@hotmail.com, and next is your message. So let's say I want to say hello world, something like that, and I'll simply press the enter key, and it might take a few seconds for the message to be sent. And if you see a pair of curly braces, then it means that your message has been sent. And I'll go to my web browser, and this is my inbox, and I'll go to my sent mail, and I'll refresh it, and I just hope that the mail has been sent. It takes some time, sometimes it takes some time, and there we go. We see that there is this item, so the message has been sent 0 minutes ago, right? And it's really as simple as that to send emails in Python. And I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial, and in case you have any doubts, then you can put in your comments, and I'll reply to as many as I can, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching this video.